Hello everyone, my name is Mendel, and today in this blog you are going to know about my life. I was born in 1822 in Austria. I enrolled in a 2-year program at the Philosophical Institute of the University of Olmütz. And there I was recognized by my academic accomplishment in mathematics and physics. My father always wanted me to work in the family farm, but I began studying to be a monk in the Saint Thomas Monastery in Brno. In 1849, I went to teach in the University of Znaim, but I failed the certification. Then I was sent to the University of Vienna to study math and physics with Christian Doppler. After I finished the school, I returned to the monastery of Brno to teach in the secondary for over 2 decades. I live in a monastery. Here, I am the one who takes care of the garden. And to kill the time, I experiment with bees. While I was experimenting with bees, well, this is not bee, but it's something like that. I discovered the inherited traits, and that's why I consider the father of genetics. As I got the results of my experiments, I wrote them down in my journal. As you can see, I write all the data in this chart. Thanks to me, someone else later invented the Punnett square. That the Punnett square is going to be explained by my friend.
The Punnett square is a tool used to see all the possible combinations of alleles that will conform the genes that the parents are going to pass to the new offspring. To make a Punnett square, first draw a 3x3 square. Then put the alleles of the first parent in the first row of the square. Then proceed to pull the alleles of the second parent at the first column. Then put the alleles of each parent in each row and each column, as shown in the pictures. When doing this, you can get the possibilities of each gene to pass to the new offspring.
Now my friend is going to explain the law of independent assortment.
Okay, so here in the diary it says that the law of assortment, independent assortment, it established that the traits were passed independently from parent to offspring. Mendel also said that he used pea plants because it was much easier because of the variety it had, and also he established it to all types of living things.
Now my friend is going to talk about the law of segregation because I need to go to plant someplace.
That's me. During his experiments, Mendel came up with one principle, which is called the law of segregation. This law states that alleles separate during gamete formation and fertilization. For example, in pea plants, the gene for seed color comes in two forms, yellow and green. The yellow gene for yellow color is dominant, and the green color is recessive. When a little pair is heterozygous, the dominant trait is expressed. That means the seed is a yellow color. And when it's homozygous recessive, that means two recessive alleles, it becomes a green color.
So I was about to upload this blog and realized that I didn't record an ending to it. So I hope you guys like this video and learn a couple of things about me and my experiments. Make sure to leave a like and a subscription and hit the bell for notification. Until next time, Mendel out.